Sitting Wayne County judge, the subject of a 7 Action News investigation, now in danger of being taken off the bench, accused of some very serious violations. In fact, the same kind our Ross Jones exposed nearly 6 months ago. Ross joins us now with the very latest on his investigation.
Stephen, inside Wayne County Circuit Court, Judge Bruce Morrow is known to some not as Your Honor, but by the nickname Cut 'em Loose Bruce. It's a handle used by some prosecutors who say Morrow behaves recklessly and often outside of the law. Today, the 8-member Judicial Tenure Commission agreed, issuing a blistering 28-page opinion urging that the Supreme Court move to suspend Morrow for 90 days. Citing 7 cases before Morrow over the last several years, the JTC says he violated judicial conduct. The panel said Morrow sometimes closed his courtroom to the public, dismissed a drug case for a defendant who was about to plead guilty, and let some convicted criminals out, even though state law said they should be locked up immediately. In May, our investigation revealed Morrow's decision to continue the bond of a man guilty of armed robbery for weeks, even though he knew he'd spend up to 12 years in prison. Hours later, the man shot and killed Breonna Leverette's brother.
If the judge, wouldn't have gave him those few days or weeks, we wouldn't be sitting here right now. I have a brother that was killed due to him.
When we spoke to Morrow in May, he conceded that Leverette's murder could have been prevented. He didn't offer an apology, but he did say this.
The court, myself, and my staff, to the Leverette family, we extend our condolences because nothing like that should ever happen to anybody. But, I don't know what to say other than that's just what happened. These were the circumstances.
The final decision on Morrow's suspension will be made by the state Supreme Court sometime next year. Morrow could not be reached for comment late today, but at his hearings before the JTC, his lawyer argued his client always followed the law and was being targeted only because of his race.